everybody, welcome back to Beautiful Mess with Jess. Today we are going to make another candy lay for you guys. Today it is not a hard candy, it is a soft chew candy by Tootsie Roll, but we can use this for our candy lay. So before we get started, what I'm using are 2 bags of the Fruit Chew candies. This I purchased from a dollar store, and each bag is 14.37 ounces each. So 2 of those. We have our scissors, our ribbon that we're going to use, our main ribbon. This is 1/8 of an inch. You can use 3/8, 5/8. This is all I have on hand at the moment, so we're going to use this. It is thin, but it's very strong, so there's that. Then we are going to use the curling ribbon. This is from dollar store as well for $1.25. And I have my curling ribbon cut already. These I cut into pieces of 6 inches each. This is going to be used to tie the candy and onto the main ribbon and curl it. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so let's go ahead and open our bag of candy here. Scissors. Okay, so a bunch of candy there. Beautiful colors, beautiful colors. Before we start, let us tie a knot onto our main ribbon here. And usually I do between 6 to 7 inches where I tie the knot before I begin. And just to be safe, a double knot is fine. We'll go ahead and tie our knot here. Double knot. Alright. And for the main ribbon, I usually do 32 to 34 inches long. It's completely up to you, depending on your graduate or whoever's going to be wearing the lay. So now let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead with the blue ribbon here, and again, 6 inches is a perfect length. Grab one of our Fruit Chews. You're going to grab one of the ends. Grab your ribbon and tie a knot. Like that. And you grab your main ribbon here, and right under the knot, we're going to tie it once, then tie it again, and then push it up. Alright. Then we're going to grab our scissors. If you're under 18, ask your parent, ask an adult to help you create the curled ribbon look. Go ahead and do that. So right now I have my little helpers helping to tie candy on to the ribbons so that we can speed up the process of making this beautiful lei. Then we're going to cut some more ribbon. Thank you to my helpers. You made this much easier for me. So now I'm going to go ahead and continue. Progress so far of our fruit chew lei. We are halfway there. So here is my final look of the finished lei, finished fruit chew lei. I think it's beautiful, very vibrant. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what other kind of candy lei you'd like me to do. Also mini leis I can do as well. I will be uploading more new videos. And go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed one.